Welcome back to our series all about creating a beauty influencer website with Wix. Have a lot of content on your site. Make it easier for your site visitors to scroll back up with a back to top button. Let's learn how to add it to your site for easier user navigation. So on the Wix editor, go to the plus button on the left. Go to button, scroll down and look for the back to top button. This one. Simply drag and drop it to your page, preferably on the lower right of your site. No worries, by the way, we can always change the design of our button after we take care of some important things. So click on your button and click on link. Select top or bottom of page and select top over here. Click on done. To change its design, click on it and click on design. Click on customize design and customize it using the tools over here. Make sure to choose a color that matches your brand. All right, now one more thing. We're going to need to pin it to our screen so that it doesn't move. So right click on it and select pin to screen. Make sure to pin it on the lower right. And once you do that, it should be pinned to your lower right. Make sure that there are no other elements that obstruct it as well. We don't really need Wix chat, so we're going to delete it. And so here is our back to top button. And basically, that's it. Don't forget to click on save, by the way, to save your changes. And that's it. We hope you found today's video of help. If you did, hit the like button and subscribe for more Wix tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and we hope to see you in the next video.